1, 2, 3. What's your name?
My name's Jamil of the Crab Game.
What is your whole name, sir?
Jamil Elijah Hernandez.
Okay. Now tell me what you're about to talk about.
So I seen it up 7 times. The crab game, you need to press A to on the Wii. You need to get the crab game on because you need to press A to swim still, and you need to press B and A to swim faster because the big crab is going to get you. Because when you have a gun, press B, press A for press 10 for having the gun, and you press 2 to shoot the crab.
Okay, are you talking about a game?
Yeah.
What kind of game? Is it a ocean game?
No, is a crab ocean fish game.
Okay. Well, can we change the subject?
Yes.
All right. I'd like to know, do you have a mother?
Yes.
What's her name?
Mom?
What's her name?
Noel.
Noel what?
Noel Portillo.
And what is your dad's name?
Jerry Hernandez.
And do you have a brother?
Yes.
What's his name?
Ayed Portillo.
Yeah?